What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Bluzelle BLZ, which has pumped up a massive 42% in the last 24 hours, and as you can see, it's trading at 10 cents right now. So we're going to be going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? And looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view, looking at, is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down? Or is it just holding season right now? Hold on to it. Or is it time to sell it if you are on a profit? So essentially going through the best option for BLZ and looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And guys, as you can see, the crypto market is booming right now, 6% up in the last 24 hours, and we have got Bitcoin finally hitting the $24,000 mark after a good couple of months. So yeah, it's been performing quite well for now, and since the start of 2023 so far, it's been more on the green side, and hopefully we can maintain that for the rest of the year as well. So let's get straight into it. We do have Bluzelle as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you can see, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain just about 3%. Over the last day, a massive 43%. Over the week, nearly 50%. And over the month, a massive 104%. Slow and steady increase in value throughout whole of January. Again, we've had a little dip here in between, but again, that's part of the process, all up until the last couple of hours where it had a major pump. So where is it heading to next? So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by over 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $116 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded on Bluzelle. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. So we are going to see a lot of people investing, as well as a lot of people selling it. So that's why the trading volume has gone crazy, and there is no doubt that it's going to get even higher over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of BLZ, which is at just about 7 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here in green at 10 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, as usual, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours, which I agree with, only because, as you can see, it's gone up so much high in value in a short amount of time. As you guys can clearly see here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos. So the next 12 to 14 hours, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Bluzelle to have dropped down to between 8 and 9 cents. Somewhere in between here is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at by in the early hours of tomorrow. But in between that time, is likely to pump up to over 11 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down below the 9 cents target in the early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? So I am expecting bullish lines, and yes, guys, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are expected from Bluzelle, over the coming days. So let's say over the next week or so, by mid next week, I'm expecting Bluzelle to be trading around 12 to 13 cents, somewhere in between there. Again, we're not going to go too high because we want it to go in a slow and steady increase in value. So I'm guessing 12 to 13 cents is fair to say, but again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's going to drop, green days when it's going to pump up and down, but clearly the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Bluzelle over the next 7 to 8 days, meaning an overall increase in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, what can we see? We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So guys, more increases in value we have for Bluzelle over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, by late March, early April 2023, I'm expecting Bluzelle to be trading near about the 20 cents target. Again, guys, 20 cents may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we give it enough time, 6 to 8 weeks is enough for it to slowly and steadily increase in value, hitting about 20 cents. As you guys can see here, if we go back to Coinbase, over the last month itself, we managed to double its value. As you can see, going from just about 5 cents to 10 cents right now. So if we give it another 6 to 8 weeks, we should potentially be able to hit about 20 cents or higher. Of course, depending on if there's any major crash in the crypto market or major bull runs and price bump. These things can have a major impact, not just on Bluzelle, but the whole crypto market in general. But if I am able to predict anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to see where it's trading. It is still in the red zone. However, we've had a major improvement since the start of the year. As you can see, we've gone from the lowest level to nearly hitting the mid level in the red zone, and potentially should be able to hit the resistance target here of 19 cents over the next 6 to 8 weeks, as I mentioned, and then we should be able to break out from its resistance target heading into the green zone. By April, May time, we should be able to head into the green zone, hitting over 20 cents, about 24 cents target in here, and potentially in the second half of the year we should be hitting the resistance target of 28 cents and heading even higher than that towards the second half of the year, potentially hitting the $1 mark towards the very end of the year is what my predictions are from Bluzelle. However, it depends on any collaborations or partnerships they've got going on, or they may have planned ahead that can have a major impact. But at the moment, it's fair to say $1 is achievable from Bluzelle over the next 11 months. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on BLZ. Guys, comment down below your end of year target for this crypto, and also, are you guys buying it, are you guys selling it, or are you guys just holding on to it? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. So make sure to go down and hit the subscribe button, as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, and at the end of the day it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and hit that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.